Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 3 and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is find the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm going to use, this up page right here. So once it's open and visible, all you need to do is press bar key and volume down, hold it. You get this tiny little animation around, as you've maybe not even seen it. So let's try that again. You'll see this subtle flash basically, and the image of the screenshot will appear on the side, and from there the image can be actually found in your Photos app. So let's go into here, and if we minimize this, you will see that there are the two screenshots that I have captured. So that is how you would do that, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.